Hello, my name is Chidi and today I will show you how to make an Obi-Belt. For this belt, you will need two rectangular fabric pieces which are 45 inches long and 4 inches wide. You will also need one rectangular fabric piece which is 21 inches long and 6 inches wide. I've also cut out linings for these pieces and an interface or padding for the center piece. Let's get straight to the tutorial. Step 1. Place the centerpiece, lining and interface all on top of each other and measure out an inch from both edges and half an inch on the side. Then join to form a curved shape. Using your freehand or a pattern master, trim off the shaped parts. Step 2. Use pins to secure one edge of the side rectangular piece to the center piece and sew from top to bottom with a half-inch seam allowance. For the other edge of the center piece, join by sewing an inch downwards, leaving 2 inches in between and sewing the rest of the inch downwards. This is the space through which we'll pass our belts. Step 3. Repeat the same process for the linings and sew to secure all edges on the sewing machine. Step 4. After joining the edges, place the lining pieces on the right side of the fabric and fold to get the side pieces on top of each other. Measure out 2 inches from one edge of the side pieces and draw a line from the edge to the 2-inch mark to create a slanted line. Measure 1.5 inches downwards from the slanted line and draw a straight line to meet the other end of the side pieces. Step 5. Trim off these pieces. Step 6. Top stitch the lining and right side of the fabric all the way around, leaving a hole to turn the belt through. Step 7. Create slits all around the center piece to allow the fabric lay flat when turned. Trim off the excess fabric using your scissors or pinking shears. Step 8. Turn the belt out through the hole you left at the edge and iron to smooth out all creases. Use a pin to bring out the tip of the other edge. Then fold the open edge inwards and substitch, and we are done. You can style this belt in different ways, and depending on the lining used, it can even be reversible. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please like and subscribe for more content. Thanks and see you later.